Hey guys, my name is Luke, part of the Build Up community. I used to work for a national builder and I got laid off and I wanted to start my own thing. I wanted to be a builder. I didn't have any money, but I knew how to build a home. I found Arthur online, joined the program. Very quickly found a lot of students to do deals with. Some of them had money and I know how to build, so we came together and did deals, and I'm doing over 5 deals now. I get Arthur as a mentor. I get to have him run through every deal I do. And yeah, it's been a great mentorship and doing a lot better than I ever thought I could. Yeah, the community, being able to text Arthur and he texts back like immediately, that's huge. Him and Ruben, and then yeah, all the people. And then here I am playing ping pong with these guys. So, it's a good community, Yeah, 100%. I was able to go a lot faster, more confidence, yeah. If you're on the fence about doing it and you're serious about it, I think there's no reason you shouldn't join the program. It's a great deal. Just off the first few tips I got from Arthur and connections, I made my money back immediately and then some. So I feel like either I was going to learn it the hard way and pay for it, or I could pay them very little, like a lot less than it would take for me to learn it the hard way, and it'll be quicker, smoother, and it's kind of a no-brainer, honestly. It's like you go to college, you spend 40 grand a year, or you could join the Build Up community and start making hundreds of thousands a year immediately. So if you're serious, when I found out about the program, I was pretty much immediately in. I knew I wanted to get in and learn how to do this. So I was in there, started taking action, very quickly got results with other students and with Arthur. So I say just join and start taking action and you'll do well.
If you want to do exactly what Luke's doing and partner together with the Build Up community, that's the power of having this community. We also have students in Seattle and other areas across the entire nation where students are doing deals together. Click that link below, book a call with my team, and let's crush it together.